everyone. We are starting. Okay, let me see. I see some stuff with anime. So let's see. Hello guys. Hello everyone. So we're starting our stream today, and we're doing great, I believe. So it's the end of the week. Um, So we're just making some final stuff here, but actually tomorrow we will have two streams, I believe. So guys, hello, June, Deeps, Hammer. I hope you are doing well, guys, and it's not so late today. So guys, we will be trying to make our usual Crypto Pumper show with some, news discussion, some exploration about everything. Mahmoud said that he's tired today, so actually, I wouldn't be say how would say talk too too loud, no, too fast. So because actually even my Atlas is tired, he just sleep on the couch. But actually, what I want to say here that crypto for the weekends usually stay a little bit, less volatile, making something, you know, the trade volumes are usually going low, but it doesn't matter that you shouldn't form your folio, of course, because the Crypto Pumper show here is to provide you some non-financial advice about how to complete your, you know, crypto folio. And actually, our goal here is to provide you a habit to make to make investments each period of time. You will just designed by yourself. So we're just making the strategy, investing. So the first one, it was $5 a day. So something around 150 bucks per month. Right now we have some, support from our partners, so such as Now Wallet, for example, and of course we are just um, have more possibilities, more instruments to test. But still, our position here and our motto here, just we're investing our own liquidity. So it's real liquidity, no fake accounts, no fake anything. So we're making it, trying to make it every day. So if we're just passing away a day, we're just counting the days and summarize crypto to make it, to make it consistently. So of course, I'm looking for crypto stuff and everything every day, but we do not want to invest anything or to buy any crypto without you guys, because um, the concept of the show, of course, to make everything live. Okay, so sometimes if the transaction are stuck or something, I can add the crypto in the wallet, in the crypto folio manually a little bit later. But actually, guys, every single time we do it openly, and everything is open here, and you can see that right now my overall losses is about 6%, so it's okay. We're just rebuying sorry guys, positions and everything. Yeah. Hello Sean, by the way. Hello, hello everybody, and Mahmoud, yeah, I started. I said, I said. So what's going on here? So because it's the end of the week, yeah. So we can see that today we will buy maybe one or two positions. I don't know yet, but we can see that we haven't, significant changes throughout these few days. So the major, altcoins are down. The Bitcoin is still in the, corridor that I've just saying before. So we're not buying Bitcoin right now because it's on the border of the So it's on the limit. We just said that we would be stopping to buy it. Yeah. So on 30,000, I said. So right now it's 29 and 300. So actually, I'm waiting some of decreasing up to 28,000 and decreasing. So when it will be decreased, I will buy it. So um, the reason is that I'm just very, cautious about this, and I'm worrying about the um, consistency of the folio because our Bitcoin position is less than 15%, and summarizing with Ethereum, it's less than 50%. But I suppose to take more positions on of course of Ethereum and block and Bitcoins because I believe that Ethereum has even more, potential for growth on the next bull run. That's why, yeah. And we can see that all the blockchains today just are looking for the Ethereum path and so on. But Ethereum still is very strong. Yeah, is very strong. So what I just wanted to say. I want just to say and to discuss with you, of course, guys, that first of all, join our YouTube channel. You can see here a lot of videos, and we have a fresh one about the GameFi. Is it there or not? So take a look here. And of course, if you want to read more than to write, so you're welcomed on our feed. Where we can see different announcements and other stuff. So update it, refresh the pages if you have seen the old stuff, because sometimes it's glitchy. So you can go there and see all the news here. And of course, we're sharing some interesting stuff here. So I believe you just watched us today with Darker and other stuff, and you can see our progression, all the stuff from the different projects and so on and so on. So we are just making it alive, trying to share with you everything we're doing. So let's go in for the folio, and let's go in for the actually for the real news here. So we will just mixing up the news analysis and everything. And the topic today was the staking stuff and the instruments to to make uh, some sort of earning passively. And actually our position here, so we're long players, yeah. So and you, if you have some positions, just taking positions, for example, 1000 2000, maybe more, yeah. So we're just close to 1000. So believe that you will find you can find the instruments. You're just understanding that the next bull run will be in 12 months, for example. So I believe that we will see the decrease of the market in 3, 4, or 6 months. So the hard times are ahead, I believe. Um, and I'm thinking that the Bitcoin run and bull run in crypto will not be happening until the next spring. So that's why we have the time. We have time, and we have the ability to make our position stronger. And when you just thinking how to how to make them work, your assets. So because we're just making the long folio here, yeah, and so on and so on. So staking stuff is, I suppose, is one of the most how would say traditional way, yeah, to make some a little bit more interest, yeah, here. So the first one stuff, and Shant asked me, do you think that staking in crypto wallets like Binance Earn and KuCoin and others is more profitable than other kinds of staking websites? Okay, so let's um, let's dive deeper a little bit in this topic. Yeah. So the um, First of all, you need to you need to analyze your follower. So let's look at the um, we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have Matic, we have BNB. Yeah. So I have some cake stuff and others. Yeah. So what I'm thinking about. Yeah. So you have several options how to stake your crypto. The first one is centralized exchanges that have a lot of earning possibilities right now. So Binance Earn, Huobi Earn, Gate.io Earn, everything Earn. Yeah. So you need to understand that if I'm going to, okay, let me. I will try to get in my Binance account. Let's see. It doesn't matter actually which exchange do you pick up for the earning possibilities. I mean, my point is here. I'm telling you about the uh, just staking and other stuff. Yeah. So, um, wait a second, guys. I will just make some. Okay, I'm waiting the code from the Binance. Hmm. I can. I will. I will show you something. Something interesting here. No, I didn't. I didn't get the code. Let's wait another 30 seconds. So you have several options here. Yeah. So the first one is centralized, sources. Yeah. So for example, like, um, okay, let's see. For example, like Binance, like Gate.io, and so on. So they have that just the traditional percentage. They need this liquidity, and okay, I will resend the code. Maybe it will work right now. So you're getting the percentage, and actually it's quite a bit reliable here. So you can manage your all of your stuff. Yeah. The second one option is the centralized of wallets and other stuff. So right now I'm using, for example, the Now wallet. Yeah. So today we will be maybe we will buy some native coins called Now, and we will stake them throughout the site. And meanwhile, the projects, for example, Matic or for example Pancake, yeah, they provide the internal um, staking possibilities. I don't know about the Matic. We need to check it out. They have the initial staking possibilities. So this option, I believe, is more preferable to you if you believe that. So in this project, for example, yeah. So for example, if I'm just making staking, um, it doesn't matter which coin. For example, it's cakes, yeah. So I can stake them on Binance, and I can stake them on Pancake Swap, yeah. So in their initial pool. So I'm holding my cakes on the Pancakes Swap initial pool. I have some cakes on the Binance, so you can split it out. But if you haven't got a lot of coins, so my point of view here, you need just to go to the native platform because they just guarantees you um, they just guarantees you these options. Yeah. For me it's more convenient, of course, to take them maybe in the centralized exchanges. So you need to save all of your positions where you just stake the coins. Another one option is the DeFi services. Yeah. So what do I mean? I mean Compound. I mean Venus Finance, I mean sushi, for example, or something. But you can understand, you can, okay, I'm just finally getting my codes from Binance. I believe my mobile operator is stuck. Let's wait a couple moments, guys. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So guys, I will open it here again. So you can see that if we go for my dashboard, you can see that. Let me see. Let me see. I haven't been there for a while, so that's why I don't. Not the markets, no. Overview. Okay. So you can see that part. So the part of my coins here is still on the spot wallet. The part of my coins are still on the earn. Yeah. So and all of this earn stuff is situated in simple earn or just the uh, flexible or locked. Yeah. So the locked stuff. Let's see. View all assets. All this stuff. Yeah. So have auto compound stuff. So the percentage on the locked coins usually are a little bit higher than flexible ones, because flexible ones are usually less. So harder 3%. Nice. Yeah. So you can see that throughout the time I've got around $20 here. Yeah, just placing them, so they're not working. Yeah, if they just lying on the spot, for example. So I'm not using this because I'm using, so I'm just forming the folio. So this is not tradable assets for me at least a year, for example, or half a year. Yeah, so you need to understand this, and you need to understand that you can get additional percentage. It's not so big, but it can. So imagine if it will be 5,000. So for example, so it would be like 200. Yeah. So I do not use liquid swap, dual investments, and other stuff which can be risky. Yeah, because they just connected with the price of, for example, the pair, the second pair, and so on and so on. So that's why I'm just taking the simple earn, yeah, or just locked, or simple. The same story with hobbies, the same story with Gate.io, all of this stuff, yeah. And let's look. Okay, so I have used it just to trading. So you can see that I have some Ethereums, and why not to earn, yeah, with this one. So we can go for the ETH staking and make it ETH 2.0, so provide liquidity, yeah. Or you can go for the flexible staking, for example, if you're just, why they just ask me, so showing me all this stuff. So I can subscribe, yeah, here, and get more of this stuff, yeah. So okay, it's interesting. BETH. Okay, so if we got the ethereum ethereum staking, yeah, so you can get this BETH stuff, yeah. So stake ETH, reward distribution, redeem ETH. So you can get them one-on-one basis, and actually you can do this. So passive earnings references APR is about 4%. The most recent distributed reward So you need to understand how it's working. So you need to stake it, then unstake it, redeem it, and so on and so on. So actually, it connected with the delegated proof of stake. They're just going on, yeah. So we can go, for example, for the simple earning, yeah. So making compound stuff, subscribe. So very easily, yeah. So that's why I'm just I like this stuff here, yeah. Okay, that's it, yeah. So they're just starting to work to our profit. Um, we've got, for example, Kusama, so we can earn with it as well. So and it has the locked staking. So usually the locked staking has great number of the APR, so we can go at it. Okay, so I've got it for the for 4 months because I believe that it will not be it will not be raising. So I do not want to sell them in 4 months or 3 months because I don't believe that it's days, guys. Yeah, so it's days. So I don't believe that it will gain even more. Yeah. So and the percentage. Look at this. So imagine if I would have $1,000 in Kusama, I can get throughout the year $130 just holding. So we do not, so if the price is not, for example, going down or just going high, so imagine you've got certain percent of these coins. It's great. If it will be raising like we just predicting, yeah, so in 4 times, in 10 times, doesn't matter. So this certain percent will these certain percent of Kusama coins will raise with your with your initial deposit. That's why. Okay. um so let's go for the another one. What do we have there? ICP Medic. um Again, we have locked. If you see the locked, so if I see the lock proposals, I usually take them. Yeah, I usually take them and making stuff here. Okay, so another one point, so another one instruments you can provide. So you can provide your liquidity for the DeFi services, for example, like Compound. Yeah, so let's, or for example, Finance. It's the same stuff. Let me see. Okay, so it's just an example. I have some AVI coins. Uh, my APY is point, so at least 1%. I have $60 on AVI. Yeah, so I can use it as a collateral to borrow my assets, but I can just to be safe. I can be safe and just wait. So just provide this liquidity to people who want to borrow this AVI stuff. Yeah, so and provide the percentage here is flexible and it's not predictable because it depends on the market stuff. So daily earnings about less than 1 cent, but I'm still getting some rewards here. Yeah, so the same story with Compound or for example Cream, yeah, and other stuff. But actually you should understand that if you just go here borrow assets, so it's risky. I'm usually make just a deposit here and waiting. So, and it's more risky because you depend on these protocols. They cannot guarantee you anything because they're decentralized and other stuff. So you can see the core pools, related pools, and other stuff. So um, you can go there and try to stake here, yeah. If the percentage is more preferable, but of course all these protocols has their minuses because in some way you can't, for example, take them out. So be very attentively. So I believe I just answer your questions. And another one option, we're preparing the MA session with Clink. Remember this wallet again. So they had they have interesting, earning model. So I've just showed it in my Twitter. So if you deposit there some, every 25 bucks will provide you a ticket. This ticket will be providing you every day, and this is like a lottery ticket, so you can earn some money there. So by that moment, providing like 30 bucks or something, or 50 bucks, sorry guys, I've earned $5, yeah, in several months. So it's great. And actually I've just provided there some Ethereum right now, so something like 500 bucks, and I'm watching how it's profitable or not. And we're just preparing the MA session, by the way. So we're waiting till they will provide us some even more crucial updates. So it's up to you where to, bring your money. And I just there is CeFi, so centralized financial services like Nexo, Celsius, Robinhood, and others. Yeah. So guys, it's risky as well as everything here. Yeah. And remember what's happening with Celsius. So they used your funds to, trade and everything. So that's how they're just providing you the percentage of your deposit. Yeah. So you need to understand this. So if you go for the Nexo, I suppose this same stuff. So they were like um, somewhere near. So they had big problems there, yeah. So but right now, I suppose they're feeling plus minus okay. So I will try to sign. Oh, I have another one account here, so it will take a lot of time to just get there. So where is the earn interest? So they said that earn 60% per year on crypto and stable coins. So actually this 13% is not so high, so do not believe it because you need, okay, up to, yeah, flex terms. So you earn interest automatically, and blah blah blah. So 9%, I suppose it's too far. So you will get something like 5% here if you will. So we can try here, yeah. So and you can see that Ethereum, you can get the fixed terms and flex terms. So this is maximum interest. You need to understand this, yeah. And for example, you can see that the flex rates, how it's going here. So Kusama up to 8%. So you can see that maximum is 8%. And just a few moments ago, I've just made a 13% stake. Yeah. But nevertheless, not every exchange can provide you such a big percentage or this position. So you need to switch around the instruments and see what is more, suitable for you. I'm a little bit lazy, so that's why I'm just usually when I'm trading crypto or something, taking these crypto positions. So I stay this crypto. I'm trying to stay this crypto on this platform and just providing this liquidity to the platform and trying to get more in future. Yeah. So that's how it's working. Um, it's like a banking deposit. So guys, imagine that, for example, you just changing the dollars, or for example, you changing your native currency for dollars to make them more stable. Because for example, if you are just in development country, so you don't trust your native coin, native dollar, or I don't know, um, karma or whatever. Yeah, so you want to make your fundings in dollar, US dollars. So what to do with them? So you can take them in the can. Yeah, you can take them in the bank. You understand that in the bank they are not working, so they just uh, the best option if they do not eat the so the best option that uh, inflation will not eat them. Yeah, so the deposit percent will be the same as the inflation. Yeah, so inflation rate. And you have the third option where to take your money. For example, your funding money is, for example, in trust funds or somewhere else. Yeah, so I'm talking about here, so more classical instruments for the high volatile for the volatile crypto and volatile assets. So I believe this combination it can be very fruitful. And as you can see that you will not, I've just provided my Kusama for 13%. So guys, imagine you're just providing for the same percent, for example, USDTs or something. So, and we believe, so we just changed our USDTs to Kusama. So we are waiting, so we're investing in this, yeah, and we're waiting till it will be just raising up, yeah. So look at this. Where is my Kusama here? Um, so and you can use these percentages even to pay the, for example, if you're just making it on chain stuff, so you can make how would say you can compensate some gas fees with these percentages. Yeah, really. So taking these percentages in order to understand how to and then just to pay out the gas fees and other stuff. So look at this. um, let's make some counts. So imagine um, this is for example, I've got them not on 23 bucks. Yeah, so imagine that the total value, so we will count it. Yeah, so we just invested 100 bucks in Kusama, and we're just providing them for the 13%. And let's imagine that we were waiting till the whole year, so our 100 100 uh, I would say bucks, yeah, in Kusama. Just so imagine that. So it just goes. So we've got this 13%. So we've got in bucks. If it will be stable coin, we will get, for example, 113 bucks. Yeah. So it's okay, nice, and so on. But imagine then Kusama raise in 5. Yeah. So you had 100, you will get 500, and this 13 will increase as well. Yeah, so this 13 on 5, it's more than 60 bucks, 65 bucks. Yeah, something like this. So imagine this. So you will get just the 65 bucks from your 100 bucks you've just provided, yeah, in liquidity in Kusama coin. So amazing. Yeah, amazing. So why not? So if we are waiting the bull run with our 1,000, yeah. So and we can get, for example, 5% for this 1,000. It will be just small 50 bucks. Yeah, it will be just small 50 bucks from all our deposits. Yeah, but this 50 bucks, if it will be a bull run, for example, X4, for example, as we're just waiting, for example, yeah, this is our goal, to sell the crypto when it reaches, for example, X4. So these 50 bucks will turn to 200 in the moment, yeah, in different cryptos. So, and this 200, if we compare with 1,000, we're just provided at the beginning, so it's 20% in a year. So 20% in a year, it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing in counting in US dollars. Yeah, so And I can understand that it can be a little bit, complicated, yeah. But I'm counting like this, so I'm counting like this. So of course, this 1,000 will be like a 4,000, yeah, and you will get only additional 200. But 200, guys, is 200. It's your initial, so you can take this 200 and buy more crypto, for example, yeah. So selling all this, all your stuff, taking up the USDTs, and then on the bear market buy more crypto. Okay, so on 20 more percent than the initial price. Oh, this crazy. So this can be crazy. That's why I'm just using all kinds of staking. So trying to do this, and what was I'm showing you guys? It's my just non concentrated stuff. So actually, um, for my point, I should make this earn stuff immediately, but I've just wanted to show you how I'm doing this. Yeah. Okay, what about the coins? So today I just wanted to buy Ethereum, but I'm thinking of different stuff. So what about the Arkham? So Deeps, actually, I have bad news for you. Not very bad news, but actually I will show you some stats here because Arkham was listed on Binance, yeah. And actually, here we go. The DeFeed showed us some statistics about the coins which were listed on exchange. It on Binance exchange doesn't matter. So the same with OKX and other stuff. So guys, I warned you, when the coin is just listed, don't buy it. Wait till it goes down, because every time airdroppers, advisors, team members, and everybody will sell these coins and make a pressure of the on this coin, and you can and you should see the unlocks on the on particular coins. So that's how we see that Arkham is minus 25, and it's not the end. So many people just lose a lot of money on Pepper, Sui, Floki, and other stuff. So Floki was rising up couple of years ago. So while it should be, taking up the look at this another one listings. So guys, be very attentively here. So better. So from my point of view, better to shorten the position. So where is my Binance Exchange? Here we go. Okay, so oh sorry guys, the wrong window. So if we go in here and so let's see if we can not margin. Where is the okay? So if we go for the derivatives, I don't know if they just listed or not. The oh why just they showing me each time this stuff. This is our old stuff here. You can see. So um so if they have world coin here, for example, world coin. Let's see. This one. This is world coin VLD. Let me check. I don't remember, so I need, yeah. Yeah. So it's going down. So I believe it will go down. So let's look. I have 15 bucks, yeah. Um I will be provided isolated, and you can go with 1x, for example, because you cannot shorten without the without going into the futures, yeah. So okay, we can go with 2x, for example. with 2x, and I will shorten them. So let us see how it's will go in, yeah. So so the liquidation price. So actually, if you believe that, for example, these guys will make an effort, for example, market making, and make it even higher 2 times right from the beginning. So the liquidation price, look at this, is 3.22. So maybe they will have some different stuff. Just make the position like 1, yeah, so x1. So do not risk here, yeah. So but you can shorten them easily, guys. You can shorten them easily. Okay. um so I suppose it wasn't very bad news for deeps, but if you believe that in Arkham, so you, of course, you should take them, yeah. um So what about other coins? Okay. I saw the. By the way, I just provided these statistics without knowing that Deeps just buy Arkham, but I said before that I do not buy crypto when just they're just listing, yeah. So you need to buy crypto into if you are just making the same strategy as we do right now. So you need to understand that I'm buying crypto which um, I believe which exists more than 1 year, preferably. Yeah. Okay. I suppose June or Princess asked about 2 cryptos. I don't see them in chat. Why? Let me see. KNS, KNC, and Aster. Let's look at them. So I want to show you one crypto. So the first I'm just buying crypto is that they have at least a year of performance. And guys, the second one, of course, you can get for the fundraising from the, for example, on IDOs and other stuff. And it's a very interesting coin here is High Dollar. So they've got the fundraising of 30 mils from Animoca brands recently. So yeah, a day ago. You need to understand that it can be popping up, so it's not on so, but right now it has very low very low cap and trading volume. I suppose in our now wallet there will be not this this coin, yeah. Yeah, I don't see this because it doesn't show any high dollar. Maybe no. Yeah, so because the total market cap and other stuff is very low, but actually, if Animoca brands make some investments here on 30 meals, it can be crazy. So maybe we should buy this. Yeah. So sometimes I'm just thinking about it. Yeah. So why not to buy this? So we can go for the markets. We can see that this market, for example, or just go for the Bybit, for example. Um, had a account on Bybit, by the way. Let me see. I believe that we were, yeah, we were just playing with the Cetus coins here, yeah. So because they had the trading competitions. So let's see the. Do I have here the assets? Yeah, I have some. Um, I have some USDTs here, yeah, and some tones, yeah. Remember, guys, we bought some tones here, and I would go for the market and buy this one. Let's find it. Sorry, I don't see this. Maybe it's high J. No, what's so? Oh, it's just advertisement. Okay, so they have no this. So in this order, so you can go for the, for example, on Pancake Swap, yeah. Yeah, Kineas and Astra, yeah. So let's see. I don't remember them, yeah. Oh, Kyber Network, yeah. Kyber Network and Astra, yeah. Astra Network, yeah. So I believe I've saw the Astra Network recently. I've just um no. I'm just recently I've just pick up not just pick up them, but we're watching on them. I don't remember about the Aster. Maybe I've showed some news about Aster for you guys next few days ago, because okay, it was just fundraising stuff. You can buy it. So actually, they are on the low positions right now, even with this, little pump here. So then can go easily 2x easily. Uh, and then can go here, even here, but actually, I don't know. They're just very new, yeah. So we need to wait here. So cannot say anything good with to these guys. Okay, they have good backers. You can see Alameda. Okay, Hobby Capital, Penbushi, CNZ. So let's see the vestings. Do they have vesting stuff? Funded rounds. Oh no 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 no. Astor Networks. Token sale. So look at this, yeah. They raised 12 million. Okay. I don't see the tokenomics. Okay. Auctions, other stuff. Parachain auctions. Okay, I got it. I got it. Actually, guys, so yeah, I've just got it. They got the hype when they just made these auctions of the parachains. Yeah, so that's why. So I remember. Okay. I don't see that they will be just bouncing up. Maybe, yeah. I don't see. So Kyber Network, um, extremely low right now. Hmm. So let's see. Um, as far as I remember, maybe we've got this in KNS. Maybe we've got this even because I remember that. No. So you can buy it, I believe. So it's a good project actually, I believe. Do I'm thinking that they will survive? Yep, I believe. Can they can beat up the $5 for sure? For sure they can. So right now they just cost is 0.0773. So they can go all-time high, yeah. So this is 5. So more than 5 times. Just tell them to fall. So actually they look at this. Do not be so greedy. Look at this price. So this is I can buy them right now actually. Yeah. So because if you're just making the long-term investment, so you can go and buy them really without thinking about the price. If it's affordable, so you can see that it's below the average, so it can fall of course even lower. So if it's falling lower, you just buying more. That's it. Okay, we can see some glitch here. So okay, I want them buy them, for example, for the okay. Mm, maybe 12. Yeah, I'm just using the okay, let's try to change it on the. So I believe that the network right now is a little bit unstable. No, it's okay, it's working. So the prices is a little bit higher because okay, let me take BNB and KNC and BNC BSC network. So oh yep, we can you can see how it changes, yeah. So let's do it. So let's do it like something like this. Okay, that's it. We don't want to buy, we want to survive. Okay. Yeah, it's very funny because I'm just guys, you need to see the perspective, yeah. You need to see, so if you see the 1 day, of course it's raising, yeah. If you see the 5 days, it's raising. If you see 1 month, okay, it's raising. If you see this 3 months, it's raising. But if you see the half a year or 1 year, you can see the current situation. Yeah, so they just had two massive falling downs, and you should expect it go there. Something goes there. Yeah, in time, in time. So if you're trading like just making daily trades, yes, okay, it's not good price for entering, but it doesn't matter. So for me, for example, because in what happens with them in a year? So will they survive or not? That's it. That's it. Okay. So I'm just showing you the case, um, how to analyze even the coins which are just pumping up in the moment. So this moves our case. So it can go down, for example, for this one, yeah, for this one level again, because you can see this level just reached 2 times, yeah. But in long perspective, it can go upper, yeah. So if it goes somewhere else here, you can buy more. You can buy more if you believe in this crypto in future. Okay. So, yeah, okay, okay. So we'll close it. So we'll close it again. What I was wanted to show you guys is that Sequoia Capital cuts the size of this crypto fund from 5 million to 200 million. So this is very, very um, negative news for all the market. So if we can see the crypto fundraising trends and everything, so you can see that this summer actually is very hard for the startups, very hard for the investment capitals and the venture capitalists as well. So nevertheless, of if you are just if you are just seeing that, watching the positive trend here, so the um, cards winning, the ETFs, yeah, within the Bitcoin is Ethereum. So, but venture capitalists and big funds are not so optimistic right now. So you need to understand this and make your research here, yeah. So what's interesting here in the continuing, we've just continued to discuss the world coin, of course. So in the continuous of the discussion, so uh, the France watchdog questions legality of world-coin biometric data collection. So this is interesting. So the first problems, they have the first problems within these spheres. Actually, actually, I believe that maybe this is a business to sell this, orbs here or something. I don't know. So mm, I will not just reach on this news very long time. So the BitGat and Max will change their coins, so and list their coins on each other exchange. So um, they're trying their best, but I believe that it will not be so successful. Yeah. So because the you can see what's happening with the exchange coins. I believe in the exchange coins, but guys, you need to you know uh, understand that this measure for them is just trying to survive here on the market. What next, guys? LTC halving, 4 days, 4 days, even 5 days. Okay, so guys, be prepared for this. It can be warming up the market. So interesting stuff from CoinGecko. How many of the top 30 banks in the world support crypto trading? 66%, or 20 out of 30 biggest global banks by assets under management support crypto trading through regulated exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, guys. So it's very interesting situation. It's very interesting information. Take it for your account, and we can see that uh, we need to beat these guys. But actually Bank of China can be very, and China Construction Bank, I suppose, the next target for the crypto mass adoption. um, so these Chinese banks, I believe, can be in the recent future um, faced facing to the crypto as well, because they're waiting the regulation. So this is only with the regulation stuff here. So, and you can see that those banks are, Chinese, only Chinese banks are just on our target here right now. So when they will just take the crypto on board, oh my god. So maybe it will be a super bull run here. Um, I will not here go here. So Ripple takes the notice of South Korea, looks to boost XRPL adoption. So they just continue to provide some news here. So my point of view, if you are just bullish on the XRPL or XRP. So this is good time to make short and some short and stuff here. And even more interesting news here. So the last one, I believe, for today. So FTX and Genesis reach agreement in bankruptcy case, a crypto resolution. So the cryptocurrency exchange FTX and credit company Genesis have reached a principal agreement to resolve a bankruptcy case. No details of the agreement have been shared, but it expected to resolve FTX claim against the Genesis. FTX has previously claimed that Genesis, owned by the digital currency group, owned them 4 billions. So if they had um, some, resolvation for the claims, maybe some of the guys who just waiting their refunds in crypto, so maybe they will be fulfilled. So um, waiting for this, yeah, guys, waiting for this, and take this in account. So I believe that that's it for today, guys. That's it for today. I want to thank you, all of you guys, and of course, again, June, happy birthday to you. So much love, guys, and I wish you to have a lot of money and a lot of love, of course. So, seeing you, bye bye, guys, for today. So, waiting you tomorrow on our streams.